Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject maths. Lesson 2. Toy Joy. Hello, students. Today, we are going to have fun with shapes and toys. Let's join some children who are making animals and birds using old boxes and bottles. First, look at Rani's bottle. It's round and tall. It looks like a cylinder. Rani made a puppy face on it. The puppy has big round ears. Can you think of something else that is shaped like a cylinder? Yes, a cold drink can or a gas cylinder. Now look at Amit's box. It's shaped like a cube, all its sides are the same size. Amit made a pig face on it. The pig has small, narrow eyes. Can you find a cube at home? Yes, a dice or a gift box. Next, see what Sarah made. She used a cone, pointy at the top, round at the bottom. She made a bird face on it. And look, the beak is sharp and pointed, just like the cone. Can you think of something shaped like a cone? Yes, an ice cream cone or a birthday hat. Now, let's see what Rahul made. He used a cuboid. It looks like a rectangle box. It has longer sides. Rahul made a cat face on it. The cat has long whiskers. What else looks like a cuboid? A pencil box, a book, or a brick. Let's remember, a cylinder is like a bottle or a can. A cube is like a dice or a box. A cone is like an ice cream cone. A cuboid is like a book or a brick. Topic: Construct and describe. We are going to play a fun building game with shapes. Are you ready? Let's go. Sit in a group with your friends. Each group will have 4 or 5 students. Now, one friend will pick 3 shapes like a cuboid, a cylinder, and a cone. That friend will arrange the shapes one over the other and say how they did it. Let's see an example. Raju says, the cuboid is at the bottom. The cylinder is on top of the cuboid. The cone is on top of the cylinder. Wow! That's like building a funny tower. Now, the other friends close their eyes or look away and build the same thing by just listening. Next topic, what are we learning? A cuboid is like a book or a box. A cylinder is like a bottle or a can. A cone is like an ice cream cone. Let's learn about some special shapes today. Big, round, boxy and bumpy shapes. We will find out how many edges they have and what kind of faces they show. Next topic, shape with no edges. A ball or a sphere. It is round and smooth all over. It has no edges, no corners, just a big round face. Example, football, orange. So, the shape with no edges is a sphere. Next topic, shape with only flat faces. A box or a cube. It has flat square faces only. No curves anywhere. Just straight lines and corners. Example, dice, gift box. The shape with only flat faces is a cube. Next topic, shape with only curved faces. A ball again. Or a sphere. It is round from every side and no flat parts. Example, marbles, basketball. The shape with only curved faces is a sphere. Topic, shape with both straight and curved edges. Think of an ice cream cone or a cone. It has a round bottom and a pointy top. So it has both curved and straight edges. Example, ice cream cone, party cap. The shape with both straight and curved edges is a cone. Topic, shape with both flat and curved faces. Let's take a can or a cylinder. It has round faces on top and bottom and a curved face all around. Example, cold drink can, drum. The shape with flat and curved faces is a cylinder. Thanks for watching.